ga jij daarmee doen?
Je staat meteen op.
Ja. Ja, ik ga je niet forceren om erover te praten, gast. Doe het.
Die denkt, ik heb lang genoeg moeten wachten, ik ben allerlaatste en ik wil nu
inderdaad.
gewoon gaan.
Precies messen met eigenlijk zo.
I wanted to envelop me, let me know. I wanted to envelop me, skin and teeth and all. Don't know how deep I fell, but I woke up in Tanglewood, down where the heart tree stood, down by the well. Describe to me what you saw the first day you came down here. Something in the atmosphere made your hair stand up. I wanted to envelop me, let me know. I wanted to envelop me, skin and teeth and all. Is this really all there is? Life's such a short and dull, harsh and deplorable kind of business. I wanted to envelop me, let me know. I wanted to envelop me, skin and teeth and all. I'll stand by what I fell for. I fell for killing words. I'll stand by what I fell for. Or am I something worse? I guess we'll never know. I'll stand by what I fell for. I fell for killing words. I stand by what I fell for. Or am I something worse? I guess we'll never know. Were you as weird as me? The last day you came down here, did you fall down upon your knees? And did it see through you too? I wanted to envelop me, let me know. I wanted to envelop me, skin and teeth and all. I wanted to envelop me, let me know. I wanted to envelop me, skin and teeth and hair and nails and bones and all. I wanted to envelop me, let me know. I wanted to envelop me, skin and teeth and hair and bones and all.
Wauw.
Manneke! What the hell, gast?
Dat is echt supergoed.
Ja.
Amai, jongen.
Dat is zo'n mooi nummer. Echt waar.
Maar hoe dat jij dat hebt gebracht, is dat gewoon echt nog mooier. Echt waar. Merci voor dat compliment, maar straight back at you, man.
Wat een sterk refrein, jongen.
Je hebt ons even